Oh yeah! It's chemistry time again! If you haven't watched my previous video about atoms, you might want to do that first. But it shouldn't be too hard to follow this one regardless. Onward! So, as previously mentioned, atoms are made of a nucleus which is positively charged and orbiting electrons with a negative charge. As long as there are as many protons or electrons in the atom, it will be overall electrically neutral. When an atom has more or fewer electrons as is normal, we call that an ion. Did you know that it's the electrons that are responsible for chemical reactions? Basically, the atoms are trying to give or take them, but they can't just eject them, not without a lot of energy. So they end up trading with other atoms. Let's take a step back for a moment. Electrons orbit at different distances from the nucleus. A shell has to be entirely filled in order for the next one to contain electrons. The first layer can only have 1 or 2 electrons, while all of the next ones can have up to 8. Hydrogen normally has 1 electron, so it wants to gain another one. An easy way for it to do that is to share it with another atom, even hydrogen. So that's how you get H2 or hydrogen gas. Unionized oxygen has 8 electrons, so 2 on the first layer, 6 on the next. It's still missing 2, which it can share. For instance, it can form O2 or H2O. Atoms that have few loose electrons tend to want to give them away rather than gain more. And the exact opposite is also true. Let's look at the periodic table. It's organized so that all elements in a column have the same number of electrons in its outmost shell. You'll know how many there are from the Roman numeral written on top. The rightmost column is the noble gases. Those have full electron layers, so they don't easily react with other atoms. Oh, and the middle 10 columns of the periodic table, those are the transition metals. They're a bit irregular, so you have to refer to a formula and all that. Honestly, best leave it at that. For real, I'm ending the video now. I really hope this wasn't too boring. I just really like that kind of stuff. Thank you if you stuck all the way through, and I'll see you next time.